The MCS connector adopts spring clip technology, and the spring can be opened by screw or quick tool to connect the wire. 4 end place options, which could fix by screw. Mounting ear, snap pin mounting feet, or locking device. Wall fixing connectors can fix on the boards by mounting ear, where it can connect to the female connectors. The connectors with the fixing flange can be fixed on board tightly by screws. The connectors with snap-in mounting feet can be fixed on board by the feet. Can connect multi-connectors together so as to get more poles. PCB solid connectors have straight pin female connector, angled pin female connector, double levels connectors. They can be connected in different direction, and the relief housing can tidy and fix the wires.